this big organisation, Webbers from the West Country. And again, this is taking on from Graham in the past, making sure that Webbers are front and centre in these organisations.
Before we start the awards, I think it's also very important to say that we've got 8 or 9 awards to hand out today.
So we've seen some fantastic performances for the financial year 2022 to 2024.
Well done, Laura. Praise the cat. Henceforth known as Catwoman of Webbers.
For so many years, wonderful service. Now, who have I forgotten? Any of you guys in the front row I've missed? Okay, we can move on.